Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Local SEO Citation Lab YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to set up Google Chrome Autofill. Autofill is very important for data entry and other local SEO work. I just open browser. Now I take I click settings option, advanced. Here is the autofill setting. Now I click here add name. Name is any person name or business owner name. Organization is company name. State address. Country name. Country is United States. Now I select United States. City. City is Champaign. State is Illinois. Shortcut is IL. Zip code. Zip code is postcode. Yeah. Phone number. Here is the phone number. Email. I set up email. Now autofill. All filling on info. Okay. Now I click save. Okay, autofilling complete. Now I can start work. I just trial on site open upspring.com. Now I click here login. I have no account, that's why I need to sign up. For sign up, here is the three option: email, Facebook, Twitter. I click here email. I click here. Yeah, autofill complete. Don't need copy paste. Just I don't need copy paste. Just I click here and all info automatically filled here. You can do it your work with very fast if you use Google Chrome Autofill. This is very easy. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Then I will be inspired to create new video for you. See you again with new video. Goodbye.